Hello class, my name is Christopher Rockwell. This is my week 4 video discussion for MUX term 1308. Everything went well this week with the branding and pretty much, I started off week 1 in Xcode, and what I did was use Vision app, which was one of the prototyping tools offered to us in the curriculum. I pretty much built it already in Xcode, so I didn't really have to mess around with the structure as much. This week I just added a few touches to my branding, because last week I started a lot of my branding and got a lot of that knocked out, like my CTA, this custom navigation bar I have up here, the custom icon images I have here, just the custom table cells. I pretty much did all that last week. I even have custom navigation bar buttons, bar button items right there. So I pretty much try to do as much customization as I can just for learning purposes. And actually, doing my testing, I realized that this app, I did it just because I knew I could envision a prototype for it. But as I did my testing, I'm realizing that maybe this app is a need in the market, and I might actually develop this and follow through with all the static data and all that. I mean the dynamic data, and actually have it functioning and try to submit it. The best aesthetic, the aspect of the application was best presented as the native component. I would have to say it was the table view, because my app has a lot of table views. I have one here. I have the grouped sectioned table view here in the ungroup, which this is my best feature doing my testing. Everyone liked this feature a lot, so I have definitely a lot of table views in here. So I would have to say that that's the most important component, native component that I've used. What I did to create a unique brand was, as you can see here, like I said before, I have a lot of customized components in the green color here. Definitely, make it stand out from another app. The CTA I have here is definitely unique, and these icons I have here in the green tab bar here, and the fact that I have the white over the icon. It's just all the little customizations visually will allow users to remember this particular application. I also have, let me relaunch it, I have a pretty unique launch image I did. I customized it. I have a context, I have a filing cabinet, and let me do it one more time. Filing cabinet with filing, and you have manager down here. So definitely I did put a lot of time into the branding, and I try to keep a consistent color scheme, as you can see here with the green, and I try not to overdo it. I have pops of green everywhere, with other neutral tones behind it. That way green it will stand out, but it isn't overwhelming to the user. So I definitely put a lot of time into my design. Overall, this class, I was really surprised on how, looking at the curriculum, I was kind of, honestly, just a little bit, I should say, not skeptical, but the fact that we were doing a prototype, I didn't think I'd be able to do this much code and learn this much. But I pushed myself to customize this app, and because the first week I just had a pretty much gray and white app, and I knew better than that to kind of make something that I wouldn't feel that it was deliverable. But I got kind of caught up on the prototyping, and I didn't realize that this particular month would challenge me to design something for the most part. So it definitely, I was surprised at how much doing a prototype and going out and getting user feedback would motivate me to make a aesthetically great design and branded app. So I definitely learned a lot this week, and I definitely will use the principles we learned about prototyping and different things like that when I actually start developing my own apps, because I can definitely see how it can make or break your app, to get that initial feedback before their first release, because you don't want people to download your app and then it has such a big bug that they uninstall it. Instead of, you want to at least build something that users are willing to wait for the next feature So you definitely want to get the big kinks out of it. And I definitely did that from the first week. So my app got better and better based off the user feedback. So I hope y'all enjoyed this as much as I have. And I look forward to what's in store next. Y'all have a great day.